Everyone loves homemade chocolate chip cookies, but if you're on a low-carb keto diet, then you're missing out. That is, until now. Not only do these taste delicious, there's hardly any carbs in sight.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, into a large bowl, add the almond flour. Now, not only does this give the cookie a great taste, but it makes it chewy too. Next, add your sugar substitute. I'm using stevia. Add a pinch of salt and the baking powder. Next, the chocolate chips. Now, you can find keto-friendly chocolate chips online and they aren't that expensive. And I've also made my own homemade keto chocolate bars, and if you want me to share that recipe with you, let me know in the comments and I'll make the video in the coming weeks. Stir through the dry ingredients, then add your coconut oil, almond milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. If you have nut allergies, you can swap out the flour and milk for coconut if you can tolerate it, and use the same method. Mix together well until it loosely comes together, and then grab golf ball sized pieces and roll with your hands until smooth. Place on a baking tray with parchment paper or a silicone mat and gently flatten out slightly with an offset palette knife. Place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Leave to cool on the tray completely. If you touch them while they're still hot, they will fall apart, so resist the urge as much as you can. It goes great with a beautiful, nice cold glass of almond milk, or even better, a small espresso. You won't believe how good these are. Even if you aren't on a low-carb keto diet, they taste amazing, and everyone should try these out. They are that good.